Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Barbie Crafts is probably one of the most enchanting ways to spark creativity and imagination in young minds, offering a delightful blend of fashion, fantasy, and hands-on fun that transforms ordinary playtime into extraordinary artistic adventures, making it a perfect choice for parents seeking engaging and educational activities for their children. Number 5. Purple Ladybug Decorate Your Own Water Bottle Kit. Transform a plain water bottle into a dazzling, personalized masterpiece. With sparkly gems, colorful stickers, and fun accessories, you can easily peel, stick, and decorate. Then, add the wristlet and charms to make it uniquely yours. This magical kit has everything for a fantastic crafting experience. You'll find a durable aluminum bottle, adorable unicorn charms, gemstone and vinyl stickers, and a sparkly wristlet for easy carrying. Plus, extra stickers for more fun. Delight any girl who loves unicorns with this unique and practical gift. It's a fun, creative present that's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Give a gift you'll be proud of. Kids will love customizing their bottles with waterproof, easy-to-peel stickers that stay put. The leak-proof lid is simple for small hands to manage, and the wide opening makes cleaning a breeze. Crafted with BPA-free, non-toxic materials, this bottle is designed with your child's safety in mind. It's rigorously tested to meet strict international toy safety standards, making it ideal for home and school. What we like. This kit allows kids to personalize their very own water bottle with sparkly unicorn decorations. It's a fun way to encourage hydration and creativity. If you're looking for a gift that's both practical and imaginative, this is a fantastic choice for unicorn-loving girls. What people say. This Barbie craft kit is perfect for little ones who love to get creative. It includes everything needed to make beautiful Barbie-themed crafts, such as bracelets, necklaces, and hair accessories. The instructions are easy to follow, and the finished products are adorable. My daughter absolutely loved this Barbie craft set. She spent hours making different creations and was so proud of her finished pieces. The quality of the materials is excellent, and the variety of beads and charms kept her engaged. A fantastic gift for any young Barbie fan. The kit encourages imagination and fine motor skills development. The designs are trendy and appealing to children, making it a fun and educational activity. Number 4. Horizon Group USA Barbie Magazine. Unleash your creativity with this exciting magazine. Design amazing hair and makeup looks for your favorite Barbie characters. Open up the spiral-bound magazine and dive into a world of color. Create all sorts of fabulous looks for the Barbie Dream Team. Use the included stencils to bring your designs to life. Color in pretty hair and makeup looks with crayons and pretend makeup. This set comes with cosmetic brushes and eyeshadow applicators. You can practice your makeup techniques just like a pro. Scratch and reveal surprise sticker designs for extra fun. Mix and match repositionable stickers to create outfits that shine. This comprehensive set includes stencils, stickers, crayons, pretend makeup, and more. Get ready for hours of imaginative play. What we like. This magazine is packed with stencils and stickers to create endless Barbie hair and makeup looks. It includes pretend makeup and brushes for a realistic experience. If your child loves fashion, makeup, and interactive play, this is the perfect way for them to explore their creativity. What people say. This is a great craft kit for kids. My daughter loved this kit and spent hours creating different crafts. The kit comes with a variety of materials and easy-to-follow instructions. Number 3. Barbie Make Your Own Bath Bomb Kit. Unleash your creativity and make up to 4 unique bath bombs. Use the included heart and Barbie silhouette molds to bring your designs to life. Indulge your senses with delightful scents like strawberry and vanilla. These sweet-smelling fragrances will make bath time a treat. Don't let the fun stop. These molds are reusable, allowing you to create even more bath bombs using your own household ingredients. Discover the magic of simple science as you combine ingredients. Watch as it fizzes and bubbles, creating a colorful and exciting reaction. This all-inclusive kit provides everything you need to get started. It comes with molds, bath bomb mixes, colorful mica powders, fragrances, glitter, and easy instructions. What we like. This kit lets kids create their own custom bath bombs with fun scents and colors. It's a simple science experiment that results in a relaxing bath time treat. If you want to add some sparkle and fun to bath time while teaching kids about simple chemistry, this is an excellent option. What people say. This is a great craft kit for kids. It has a lot of different activities and materials. My daughter loved this kit. She spent hours making different crafts. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for a 5-year-old. Number 2. Barbie Fashion Plates All-in-One Studio. Discover the ultimate fashion design experience with this all-in-one studio. It's perfect for aspiring designers of all ages. With 15 mix and match fashion plates, you can create over 100 unique and dazzling looks. Let your creativity run wild. Use the 8 included designer crayons to bring your fashion sketches to life. Add vibrant colors to make each outfit pop. This set comes with a convenient storage container, making it perfect for travel. Take your fashion design fun anywhere you go. Gather your friends for a fashionable party or sleepover. It's a fantastic way to share creative fun and design together. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to start designing right away. It even comes with easy-to-follow instructions. What we like. With 15 fashion plates, kids can design over 100 unique outfits for Barbie. The set includes crayons for coloring and a convenient storage case for on-the-go fun. If your child dreams of being a fashion designer and loves creating outfits, this kit offers endless possibilities for stylish creations. What people say. The Barbie Crafts for kids ages 4 to 8 are a fantastic way to spark creativity and keep little ones entertained for hours. The kits come with everything needed to create beautiful, themed crafts, making them perfect for rainy days or playdates. These Barbie craft kits are incredibly well designed, with clear instructions and high-quality materials. My daughter loved assembling the different projects, and the finished products were something she was proud to display. It's a great way to encourage fine motor skills and artistic expression. Number 1. Barbie Fashionistas 8-inch Styling Head. Get ready to create amazing hairstyles with this fabulous styling head. It's perfect for hours of creative play. This set comes with everything you need to transform her look. You'll find barrettes, gems, twists, and a brush to get started. Use the included brush to comb through her beautiful blonde hair. It's so soft and easy to style. Experiment with fashionable updos using the hair ties, twists, and barrettes. The possibilities are endless. Personalize the barrettes with the fun pop-in gems. Make her hairstyle truly unique and dazzling. This toy is designed for aspiring stylists aged 3 and above. It encourages creativity and fine motor skills. What we like. This styling head allows kids to brush and style Barbie's hair with a variety of accessories. They can create fashionable updos and customize barrettes with pop-in gems. If your child enjoys imaginative play and practicing hairstyling, this is a wonderful toy for hours of creative fun. What people say. This Barbie craft kit is a fantastic way to keep kids engaged and creative. The kit includes a variety of materials and easy-to-follow instructions, making it perfect for little ones. Children can create beautiful Barbie-themed accessories and decorations, fostering their artistic skills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.